In this video, I'll show you how to use the DAP wall repair patch kit. First, let's open the box, and what we got here, a manual, some sandpapers, this grid, something to apply the paste over here, and that's about it. First thing you have to do is, well, look at your hole that you have in your wall. Here I have one that is not that big, and compare it to the mesh thing that you get in the package. Okay, so if your hole is small like mine, you'll have to cut this mesh to a smaller size since you don't need the full length of it. Here I cut mine just enough to cover the hole and leave about 1.5 to 2 inches around it. Next step is to take the mesh, take your putty knife, and you'll need to cover with this pink paste all the surface of this mesh kind of thing. So don't worry if you put too much, you just have to spread it in an equal way all around it. It's just like putting some butter on a toast. Okay, maybe it's not like butter, but you got the idea. Once you are done, you're gonna take it, you're gonna stick it right on the hole. Try to be precise and put it right in the middle. The pink kind of paste should stick to your wall, and then all you have to do is to press it, and it's okay, some of the paste will come through the small holes. This is perfectly normal. Now you're gonna take your putty knife and you're gonna spread all of this paste. So your goal here is to make a very smooth surface. I know it won't look smooth at first, but the more you do it, the more it will start looking like a smooth surface. It will take some time. And if you think you need more, and you'll probably need more of this paste, well, take some and apply some more, okay? This is very important. Okay, I'm done here. I tried to make it the smoothest possible, so the transition between the wall and the actual patch is the smoothest possible. And it's okay if there's some lines, as you can see. It's okay, because we're gonna sand it. Now you're gonna wait, in my case I waited more than 3 hours, until the paste turns to white. So from pink it should be all white. Be patient. Take the sandpaper that was inside the box, and we'll try to eliminate the lines and make the transition, again, I know I said it, but the smoothest possible all around. So the patch won't be visible. I'm not an expert in sanding, okay, but what I realized is that it's okay to press a bit more at the beginning, but after a while you should press less to not create lines. Make sure that the transition is smooth. Honestly, I could have done a better job, I think, but I guess it's all depending the time you put in. And the next step is to paint the wall. I just took the can, open it, and I will apply directly there. I will suggest you use 2 layers of paint, but I guess you'll see after the first one if a second one is needed. And here is my final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.